In Vietnam, banks have their own governance process, especially in state-owned banks. And typically the process is divided into technical and commercial side of things. On many occasions, banks actually contact a consulting firm like ours to really understand who should be the solution provider. And we look at top 4 or 5 parameters to really make it home. The first one being around the technical capability of the provider and how does that fit into the bank's requirements. More critically, does that provider have those capabilities within Vietnam, and have they been able to provide and serve and maintain not only during the transformation but after the transformation. We also look at one very key component, which is who will be part of the team who will be implementing that solution in Vietnam for the client, because that team is the face of the solution provider in Vietnam for the bank. There are other aspects which are very important, which is there flexibility of the solution provider to engage with the bank on its commercial terms, not only the price, but also how you pay and when you pay. Last but not the least, which is really critical, is how long has the solution provider been in the business of providing the solution, and are they credible enough from a financial perspective to sustain a long-term relationship. Those are the key parameters which we would typically look at. But of course, these are just parameters which are general. From situation and solution perspective, these parameters could change and add on to a few more aspects as we go along.